Number 5 is the official Creality K1 3D printer. If anyone is searching for the ultimate 3D printing experience without breaking the bank, look no further than the official Creality K1 3D printer. This cutting-edge marvel is a game-changer, offering an exhilarating journey into 3D printing. With mind-blowing speed, the Creality K1 leaves its competitors in the dust. Prepare to be amazed as it reaches a staggering maximum speed of 600 millimeters per second, a jaw-dropping 12 times faster than regular 3D printers. Say goodbye to long waiting times and hello to instant gratification. Not only is it lightning fast, but the Creality K1 also boasts a superior heating system. Equipped with an upgraded ceramic heater, this printer reaches a scorching 200 degrees Celsius in just 40 seconds, ensuring your filament melts seamlessly, providing top-notch print quality. But the wonders of this printer don't stop there. The Creality K1 operates on the intuitive and user-friendly Creality OS. Powered by a mighty dual-core 1.2 GHz CPU, it even has the option to add an LIDAR or AL camera for those seeking to push the boundaries of creativity. Please note, these accessories are sold separately. So if you are interested in this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. That's all from us in today's video. We hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer under $800. If you want to purchase any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box to get them right now. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more awesome upcoming videos linked to printers.